If your skin doesn't change from chemical cream to organic glowing skin, do not come back to my channel after watching this remedy that I'm about to share with you in today's video. This is 100% organic. The first step is to take your bowl, go on with your first spoon of coconut oil, melt it and take it straight to your bowl. I've already melted my coconut oil because I don't want the video to be so long to the extent that you won't get all the recipe. If you want it more quantity, go on with your 10 spoon of coconut oil, melt it and put it straight into your bowl. The next ingredient we are going to make use of is our cocoa butter. If you have shea butter, it's fine. If you have mango butter, it's okay for your skin. What our skin needs are all 100% organic, not chemical. And I'll go on by melting my own cocoa butter. Do not melt your cocoa butter straight for fire or melting it in the microwave. Double boil it, put water on the fire, then take another pot on top of the boiling water and put your cocoa butter, shea butter or mango butter, anyone you prefer. The next ingredient that I added is called glycerine. I will put the image of glycerine and apply 1 spoon of glycerine. Take it straight to your fridge. Let it cool down this way. Then you take your beater and continue mixing it together. What you need here is consistency. Consistency is what you are looking for. Let me leave you guys to see how I mix it together and I'll show you the next ingredients.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
The next ingredient I'm going to add is called sweet almond oil. Do not add olive oil. If you add olive oil, you are going to be so dark. Or you should go on with your jojoba oil or your argan oil. But I'm using sweet almond oil. I'm going to add 3 spoons of my sweet almond oil. The next almighty ingredient you won't want to miss is vitamin E. Vitamin E has been doing great, like doing wonders on our body. So you go on with a little drop of vitamin oil. You can go on with 5 drops. It's okay. It depends on the quantity of the cream you're about to make.
I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being an
This is the consistency we are looking for. If your cream hasn't turned this way, then you should continue mixing it together until it looks this way. My kids will like, this look like ice cream. You should continue this way and mix it together. The next ingredient we are going to add for our scent is vanilla. I'll go on by dropping some drop of vanilla scent into the cream for it to give us the most sweetest scent in the world. So I'll go on by dropping like 10 drops of vanilla scent and I'll continue mixing it together again. The consistency is what you're looking for. What our body needs are all 100% organic, be it for your hair, your body. You need 100% organic on your body, on your skin, on your hair. Make sure you stop using any chemicals in your body. That's why I share this recipe with you. It's so easy and so affordable. I'll be dividing this cream into 2. I'll be using one for my body cream. My kids use this too. This is what I'm using on them. I'll be dividing this cream into 2. One part for our body cream and the other part for my own face cream. I'll go on by adding my Tiato shea butter extra serum into it. If you have carrot oil or you have your carrot oil or you have any facial serum at all, go on and drop some drop in it and continue mixing it together. The consistency is what you need. You cannot mix it a little bit and say you are done. Make sure you mix it consistently.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this.
The next thing I'll do is to take my container and add my face cream there. You can see how many I have left after taking a lot of it from there. So this can take me like 3 months, even 4 months plus, because this is only for my face. Why this one will be for my body and my kids' body? If you know you've already used any cream and it's giving you some bad reaction, go on with this remedy that I just show you. You can go on with your hand, with your body, or your full body, and you won't regret using this body cream on yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. My name is Scott Temitayo, and thank you for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.